So everybody asks, how do you clean with ADHD? I have ADHD really bad. And the days that I forget my medicine or I take my medicine and I still feel like it's crazy bad, I'm going to teach you guys how to clean having ADHD. So whenever I clean two-story houses, I always start from the top and I work my way down. And I get done with each room and I vacuum it and I make sure that I'm done with that room. If they don't have animals, I'll close the door so I can remember that I'm done with that room. But when you walk in a room or even the house, the first thing you need to do is look up and look around. So when I come into a room, I always walk in the room and I'll show it to you. You always want to start from the right and work your way around. And I always look to see if there's any cobwebs or if there's anything that I need to clean and dust. And I always look first. If there's a ceiling fan, I make sure to dust that first so I don't forget. Because with my ADHD, I will forget. So ceiling fan or light fixtures, those go first. Then I start from my right and work my way around the room, dusting top to bottom. And I make sure I stay organized and do each section. And when I'm done with each section, then I know I'm complete and I can move on to the next room.